Most people scroll through Fiverr thinking, what can I sell to the online space to make money for myself? And the internet is full of ways and how to make money online. But the question is, what actually works, right? And in today's video, I have something that I want to share with you that is going to help you make at least $25 every single day if you keep this perfect. And the screenshots you can see right here is my Fiverr dashboard as of December 2024, right? And today I just want to walk you through this process, how you can do it, what is the skill that you need to learn, how do you set up your profile to get job every other day. And this video is the second video of skill training that I'm doing on this channel right now. And today the service that we are going to discuss and the skill we are going to learn is editing and proofreading, right? So we are going to do this in 3 different languages, and you can do this with any other language of your choice aside English, right? I'm going to share with you every of the details step by step process on how you can do this and make that predicted money every other day on Fiverr, right? And the very first thing you need to do is to have a Fiverr account. And if you don't know how to create your Fiverr account in an approved manner, check out this video right here, showing right there now, to learn how you can create your Fiverr account step by step and you will get approved to the marketplace. Now, if that being said, guys, let me get up to my screen and I will walk you through this process. What is this service? Like I said, is editing and proofreading. What are the tools you need to use, and every other details you need to pay close attention to is what I'm going to walk you through right here in this video. So I will urge you to watch this video to the very end and make sure you pay close attention to every second of this video, because I'm going to be sharing with you all the tools, right? And also some bonus tips in the middle of this video, right? So make sure you subscribe to this channel. You want more videos like this, like this video, share with your friend, and let us grow together in the online space. Coming over to my screen right here, you can see this document like I titled Gabriel VJTJ. Don't mind me, that's the Fiverr username of the person that hired me, right? And this project is being December, and you can see this is in French. This is French, or yeah, French. This is French, and you can see, to an extent, I proofread and edit this content with no error in French. So I'm going to share with you the very first thing you need to do when you want to render this service is to niche down your gigs title. So let's do that. I'm going to come over to Fiverr, which is the marketplace you want to make money on. So I'm just going to search the service, which is editing and proofreading, right? This is the service I said. So searching this, you can see 12,000 people is rendering this service, and it's something you can do basically. I'm going to walk you through the process. The very first thing is to niche down like this, editing and proofreading, and you can do some keyword research, which you can use that video about Fiverr. You can use it to learn how to set up your gig in this niche. And with that being said, let's get on to how you can get these things done and deliver the best quality to your clients, right? The very first thing you need to understand is the language of the project. If it is English, you are going to focus on the readability and also the grammatical error, right? That's the one of the things you are going to figure out in your proofreading service. And the tool I use is called Grammarly, which you can get the Pro at a particular price, the ridiculous price, right? So I'm going to give you how you can get the Pro online yourself, right? You don't need to pay me. You are not paying me. I'm not affiliated to anything. So you just go straight to the website I'm going to show you, and you can get Grammarly Pro at a ridiculous price, right? Because I use Grammarly and that's what I use to proofread. So after you have the projects on, the very first thing I said is to identify the language, and you are going to, and you know what you are going to edit. Now, let me use this, or let me come over to my documents right here. So I'm going to open one of my book, or probably, yeah, something right here. Let me just open this. So I'm going to use this to walk you through this process, and you are going to get the best value of this video, right? So let's assume this is the service. This is the order we got from our clients, right? And now we are to proofread this. You can see this book is perfectly okay. Nothing to change right there. But then I'm going to walk you through some things. So you can see it's showing red already, which we are going to correct. Now, the very first thing you need to do at this point is to add Grammarly to your Chrome. You type in add Grammarly to Chrome. So once you add the Grammarly to the Chrome, you can see right here, you click on this, with the one with web store. So you click on it, it's going to show you something like this where you can add, but for me, it's going to say remove. And this is because I have it right here, as you can see. So once that is done, the next thing you need to open an account for is QuillBot, right? QuillBot. QuillBot. So once you open your QuillBot account, you are going to click login right here. So also, you are going to get access to this for free. So, but you have limits, and if you want the pro version or the premium version as well, the website I'm going to share with you to get Grammarly Pro, you can also get QuillBot Pro on there as well, right? Starting our work right here, we are going to use this Grammarly that we've added right here. So this is what is going to guide us through what we need to change to increase our readability. You can see we have clarity and engagement delivery. So right here, I'm just going to accept this, and I'm going to accept all of these because Grammarly understand English better than me. So I'm just going to accept all of these to correct all of these details. The limitation about free Grammarly is because you will have just free trial every day. So now I'm just going to, you can see get pro. So after getting your pro version, you can do this perfectly. But then, if you don't want to use pro and you still want to be an expert in this kind of field, it's something you can do. So you can work with the free version, which is something easy. And you can see right here, you can review for clarity, and you can review for clarity. You can rewrite for clarity. See, you get all this done. That means you can see it's saying something like this. So I'm just going to accept this to correct all of the grammatical error and the spelling error in this text, right? So now, as we get to some points where you will need to change some things, so you can easily do this. You know, you are paid to do this editing perfectly. So I will advise you read some part of it, if not all, so you can understand what this means. And if you need to change anything or you feel like the English being used, you can see how I'm correcting this. You can see how I'm just clicking accept. So this is one of the soft work you can do online to make money. So just click accept. Just keep going till you get to the very end of you don't have any red. That means your book is perfect, right? So now, let's say I'm going to do something right here. So assuming I'm not cool with this, like this doesn't express what I want perfectly, I will just copy this right here. So now this is the editing part, and we will do the proofreading. We've done the proofreading, so this is the editing part. I'm just going to come over right here, and I'm just going to click on Paraphraser. So once I click on Paraphraser right here, it's going to load up this page, and I need to do is to paste this right here. Once I paste this, I'm just going to click on Paraphrase, right? So you can see, you can switch to Fluence, Natural. So I'm just going to copy this and drop this back here. All right, you can see it's perfect. So that's how you make the changes after you've read through what is given to you. Assuming we got this in Spanish or other languages that's not English, how do you do this? How do you proofread this? How do you edit it? And how do you balance the work to an extent you will get the perfect result? And this is the tool I do use in that kind of case. It's called Deeply. So if you type it right here, you are going to see this. Now, the hack right here is for you to just copy the entire text sent to you by your client, is to paste it here right here to detect the language. And once that is being detected, translate it to English from this website. Now take it over to Grammarly, edit it, proofread it, right? So after that is done perfectly without any error, just copy the old text back, paste it to Deeply, and let Deeply translate it to the language your clients want, right? That's just simple. Now, I'm going to offer you 2 bonuses, which is something that's going to benefit you. But before then, if you don't know how to create your Fiverr account in an approved manner. Check out this video showing right here again and get to set up your account. Start today. Start today and make this money for yourself as well. Most of the things I do is I set a high packages on Fiverr, right? The very first one I said is up to 2,000 words. So from 0 to 2,000 words. And the next one is up to 10,000 words. You know, you can set up 3 packages. And the last one is 10,000 plus. So I don't want to know if it's 50,000 words or 100,000 words. I don't want to know. So it's just like 50 or 10,000 plus, right? So that's the number one hack that you can use to make money on here with this skill. And the other 2 bonuses that I promise is this service I'm going to share with you, and you can do this exact same process for the 2 services to get the best value of there. And right here, you are going to come over right here and you search something like manual rewriting. So if I search manual rewriting right here, you are going to see just 279 people doing this, right? So you can see them with different charges, and you can do this. This just basically exact something you can do. You can see this person said ghostwriting, book rewriting, and everything, which is something I just showed you how to do by rewriting using QuillBot and also proofreading with Grammarly. So it's just something you can do for yourself basically. And this is number 1. The number 2 you can do is document translation. Document translation. So document translation is another thing you can do, and I just showed you deeply, which is going to help you translate one language to another without losing anything. So if you are meant to translate a language, all you need to do is to copy the exact process, exact text, paste it to deeply, translate it to English, proofread it and edit it manually, make it professional, then take it back to deeply and translate it back to the exact language like your clients want. And that's all I want to share with you in this video. And I trust if you implement this process step by step, so you are going to stand a chance to earn a particular amount from between $25 to $100 per service rendering on Fiverr, right? If that being said, guys, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friend, and we can get to grow together. And after this, we are going to see in the next one, which I'm going to walk you through another process. So till then, stay at peace, and I wish you the best.